Hey there, Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net. Welcome to Bar Profit Maximizers. This is the video series that I'm putting out to help you be a better bar or restaurant owner or manager by helping you become more knowledgeable and by identifying those problem areas in your business that you can put a microscope on so you can greatly increase your profits. Even if you improve by just a little bit in each area, it's going to add up to huge overall results. So in this initial video today, I want to explain a concept to you that is so crucial to your business that if you're not paying attention, you could find yourself sinking into that quicksand of failure, and before you know it, it's too late. And this concept I'm talking about is called perceived value. And it's more of a psychology thing, but it's a powerful psychology thing. And what I mean by perceived value is what the guests think they are getting versus what they're actually getting. Now, I wasn't aware of this concept during my years as a bar manager. It wasn't until I started Bar Patrol that I really started analyzing the balance between controlling costs and giving the guests a fair value. Because as an owner, we want both, right? We can't just give away the house just to get people to come in, but we don't want to be stingy either. So as an example, I work with a large corporate chain that will go unnamed because I'm not an animal. But in my humble opinion, they have a beverage director. I'm talking a national corporate beverage director responsible for 200 plus locations who I believe should be working as a receptionist in the restaurant instead of a corporate beverage director for all the good she's doing the corporation. Okay, I know that sounds harsh, but this is the person responsible for creating a cocktail menu that goes out to all the stores nationwide. And when I first started working with some of the local restaurants, I was blown away at the portions that were going into some of these drinks. Each of the cocktails on the specialty menu were calling for 3 ounces of liquor, but it wasn't reflected in the price. And for those of you unaware, the standard portion is about 1.5 ounces. So essentially, these people are going into the restaurant and they're getting doubles for the price of singles. In addition, this restaurant pours 1.5 ounces for, say, a Grey Goose and soda. But when they pour a Grey Goose on the rocks, the bartenders are instructed to pour a 3-ounce pour and do a $2 upcharge. So this is where the perceived value conversation really comes into play. And this is where the light first went on for me. Because if the guest orders a Grey Goose on the rocks, they have no idea that they're getting a double for a $2 upcharge. It's not advertised. The bartender's not coming over and saying, oh, by the way, you just got an extra shot of Grey Goose, normally $9 for only $2. Because at most places, if you order a shot of liquor on the rocks, that's exactly what you get. So the guest is clueless to the value that they're getting. So instead, he sips his liquor, and then when the check comes, he looks at it and says, Grey Goose is $11 here. I can get it for $9 across the street. I'm going there next time. All right, there's no perception to the value they're getting because they're unaware of it. What a waste. Now, I know you're screaming at me right now to reveal the name of this corporate chain so you can go in and get plastered at half price. But sorry, I'm not a gossip girl. On the other side of the spectrum, on the positive perceived value of things, is happy hour, right? And we all know how difficult it is to measure exactly how profitable happy hour is to your bar because you're offering discounted items in the hopes that they'll stay longer and eventually buy some of the full-priced menu items that you have. And so let's say you have some cocktails that you normally sell for $7, and during happy hour you sell them for $5. So you're losing $2 per drink, but your place is busier, which is good. But that's not even the real value. The real value is the perception that they're getting a great deal. They're now fully aware of it, so they keep coming back. And better yet, they excitedly tell their friends about it, and they keep coming back, and now your place is even busier, and they keep coming back again and again, which should be your end goal, which is to get repeat customers. And so you can think of happy hour as a marketing tactic. All right, the money lost in discounts is sort of like paid advertising. It's word of mouth, baby. What this all comes down to is perception is everything. So in this Bar Profit Maximizer series I'm doing in this next couple of videos, we're really going to be talking about how you can maximize your perceived value and still give your guests a great deal, because we're not here to rip the guests off. We just want to maximize the value that you have and then go ahead and hide and eliminate some of the profit leakage that's going on. In fact, I guarantee it's going on in your bar right now. Okay, that's going to do it for the day. Thanks for being here. If you're so inclined, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Hit the little bell so you don't miss anything in this video series coming out. We're going to go well beyond just perceived value. A lot of techniques and strategies to help you really kill it in your bar. You can also leave a comment, question, observation. Tell us what's working, not working in your bar and restaurant so we can help everyone. All right, thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. I'm out.